Prasisnapet. So if we read this, it says the most important are the 3 stupas, and we're going to discover them and go around. Video ko muna. Anong pangalan tong lugar na to? What? Snapnet set? Ha? I forgot. Oh, sige, kunin na kita ng picture. Ito yung 3 towers, no? Okay. One more. Okay. No wonder this is very very famous. Ang ganda nga naman talaga, oh. We are just lucky that we are not against the light. Importante sa kanya yung kanyang yan, oh, 3 towers na pointed. Actually, this is recommended by ChatGPT. Number 1 is the Matat, and this is the second recommendation. It's really beautiful out here. Okay, we're about to enter. Kaya yan. Parang malaking bell, oh.
Yeah?
Oh, yan, oh.
Ito?
Pero hindi naman bell, no? It looks like a bell. Ayun. Ha?
Stupa.
Stupa. Ang ganda ng mga stupa, oh. Wow. Stupang tawag dyan sa mga pointed na yan. Kumukuha ng photos si Berna Baron kanina, pero mas magandang angle to. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayos. Yan, mga smaller stupas, oh. Sabi ko kay Berna, pag-aralan yung history. Ayaw niyang pag-aralan, tingin-tingin lang. But it's really interesting to check bakit nagkaroon ng ganito sa Ayutthaya. Yan na, yung mga turista. Siyempre, mga puti, hindi tayo yan, ha. The best part talaga, daming trees. Pag napagod ka, you can just sit down. And ayan, oh, may mga chairs. How they created this without an architect is just unbelievable. The truth of the matter, I've been to Greece, but I think these archaeological places are even better, honestly. Una, it's more preserved. Si Berna, oh, enjoy na enjoy sa mga stupas. Kailangan bilang ko na ng magandang cellphone to, eh. Yan, palagi naman. Really interesting, ah. Yan yung 3 stupas, eh. Well, those 3 stupas are the most famous. Well, the best part is if you're coming from Bangkok, Ayutthaya is just merely 40 minutes or even 30 minutes if your driver can drive very very fast. Okay, let's just keep on walking and just enjoy the nature, the birds, and it's not so hot unlike a while ago where it was really so hot and that's why it rained. But now it's quite cooler. Well, maganda nga naman talaga yung mga stupas, oh. Yung 3 yun, oh. Napakaganda. Well, if you don't have enough time to visit all the temples because you're doing just a day trip, you can just actually do the Wat Mahat Hut. That's the number one. Berna's just enjoying her walk with her umbrella. Tourists, it would be nice to visit this place, just hearing the humming of the birds. Ganda naman, parang parang artwork. Yun, ibon na naman yung nadidinig ko. Ayun, inaantay ako ni Berna. Middle stupa is covered by the tree. My advice, if you want to visit Ayutthaya, you have to be here as early as 6 in the morning to avoid the crowd and also to enjoy walking with nature. Beautiful. The beautiful Ayutthaya, filled with trees. Yan, may mga benches to rest and just observe. I notice almost all is made of bricks except the stupas. Ganda. Ano yung pinipicturean mo, Berna? Ito yung pinipicturean mo kanina? Pag backlighted, ipapress mo lang. Smile! Ito mga holes na to, maybe those are the windows. Ganda nito nung unang panahon, no? Nung hindi pa nasisira. I'm sure this was really very, very nice. Enjoy ka, Mama Berna? Huh? You're really enjoying it? You like temples? You love temples? Okay. Hindi na maganda kasi hindi na makita yung face mo.
Yun yung gusto ko.
Ay, hindi na makikita yung...
Ako sa Marayo.
Oo nga, pero hindi makikita yung face mo. Eh di, wag na nating sama yung face mo kung gano'n. O, smile. Na 3 stupas. Layo na at gusto mo nakatalikod. O sige, sandali. Ibang klase to si Berna. Malayo na, maliit, hindi na makita yung mukha mo, nakatalikod pa. Okay. Alright. Maganda yung angle ng ito nga yung sinasabi mong 3 stupas, oh. The most photographed ba to? Oh, wow. Okay. Kanya pala sikat. Ito, sabihin ko sa'yo. Oh, ito. Yan, yan, tama na. Yan ang magandang angle. The most photographed. Oh, isang nakaganyan. Oh, isang nakaganyan. Oh, isang naman nakaharap sa camera. Yes, ganyan. Okay. Natin ang 360 degrees. So we can see. Dumilim ah. We can see all the angles. Yan. May mga benches pa. Importante yung mga puno. Itong 3 stupas are covered by the trees. Siyempre, pag umiwas tayo sa tree, eh makikita na ulit yung most photographed temple because of this. Look at that. Maganda naman talaga. Pupunta ng Bangkok, they just shop. Kami, we don't shop, but we appreciate culture. Mga puno na yan, no? So let me tell you again that Ayutthaya used to be the capital for so many years. Yes, until it became Bangkok. But you come here to see and enjoy the temples. Of course, aside from the food, where they serve a lot of giant river prawns. Done, and we're back on the exit. So don't forget to visit Ayutthaya and search all the temples. Kahit tatlong temples lang pwede na, because there's so many of them. All right, so thank you again for watching. This is the entrance and exit.